Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tiramisu sponge cake. Start by separating 6 large eggs, placing the whites in one bowl and yolks in another. Beat the egg whites until stiff peaks form, then gradually add 150 grams of granulated sugar. Gently fold in the egg yolks and 150 grams of all-purpose flour. Pour the batter into a prepared 9-inch round cake pan. Bake your sponge cake for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While it cools, prepare your coffee syrup. Brew 1 cup of strong espresso, then stir in 2 tablespoons of sugar until dissolved. For an authentic touch, add 1/4 cup of coffee liqueur. This syrup will give your tiramisu its signature flavor. Now let's create the luscious mascarpone cream. In a large bowl, whisk 500 grams of mascarpone cheese until it's smooth and creamy. In a separate bowl, beat 4 egg yolks with 100 grams of granulated sugar until the mixture is pale and thick. Carefully fold the egg yolk mixture into the mascarpone, then stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. To assemble, slice your cooled sponge cake into 2 or 3 even layers. Place 1 layer on your serving dish and generously brush it with the coffee syrup. Spread about 1/3 of the mascarpone cream over the soaked cake. Repeat these layers, finishing with a final layer of cream. Dust with cocoa powder and chill for at least 4 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.